sishashuva thi ngirasa sibona shashazana ufuna ukuthi la lenkulumo lena ka Cyril Ramaphosa umongameli wakuleli lapho khona esho khona ukuthi awu no ngempela lana abantu beza kulekizo ngezizathu eziningi ezahlukene abanye bazofuna umsebenzi cause emazweni abayikho. Okay, it's fine, it's very good, urat law yabo kuyenzeka everywhere ukuthi abantu nathi siyaphuma la kwamanye amazwe sofuna amathuba angcono omsebenzi. Okay, fast forward uyasho futhi lapha ukuthi okay laba abangena ama-document ngesisikamba manga ithwe abahambe akumele babela abangena ama-document. Oh no ithwe so nje basically sikenza ukuthi mozuthi yena kusisa le nto lena basically ama-politicians okanye uhulumeni uyavumelana nabantu labantu abathuka ngoma ithi abahambe sekwanele. So basically uhulumeni most walalela nkunu Ramaphosa level uzoyibona is less than 1 minute but ivumelana nayo yonke lento eyenzakalayo except ukuthi ke akusetshenziswe udlame ke siyasivumeke udlame and futhi izenzo ukuthi siyagcizelela lokho njengoba nomhlakatithi ukusondela ukuthi abantu bangalinge bazama ukusebenzisa udlame because once lento ayisebenzisa udlame isiphelile yabo izobe sekuphelile nganento uzobe ngempela sekuthi nje sekuboshwa abantu labo sekuyile topic sekuyileyo nje into esemqoka ukuthi ayi useboshiwe usibona manje useboshiwe kuyobe niyonile uma nike nenza into yodlame ninaleyo insuku yami please.
I mean, migration is given rise to by many factors. Some people run from their own countries because they are in danger, there's conflict and there's instability, and some become economic migrants. They come to a place where they think that it's an economic oasis, and so they will come. Now we are saying those who are not documented, those who do not have the proper permits and papers to be here should not be here. So that's precisely the stance we've taken. And we've now gone to employers. Employers who employ undocumented migrants are the ones that we're putting a lot of pressure on.
Thanks.